Technology is shaping the world faster than ever before. Every day, new innovations are changing how we work, think, and live. At ByteShift, we break down these transformations from AI and automation to the future of work and digital transformation. We bring you clear, insightful, and thought-provoking content that keeps you ahead of the curve. Welcome to ByteShift. What if I told you that the future of work isn't what you think it is? That everything you've been told about AI either stealing your job or making you rich is a lie. Some of the world's richest people, tech billionaires, hedge fund managers, government officials already know the truth. And it's not what the media is telling you. Because behind the scenes, AI isn't just replacing workers. It's restructuring entire industries, controlling economies, and deciding who gets to be rich and who gets left behind. So the real question isn't, will AI take your job? It's, will you be the one using AI to get ahead? Or will you be the one left behind? Stay with me, because in the next 12 minutes, we're going deep into the industries that will collapse, the ones that will boom, and the secrets to future-proofing your career. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to be on the winning side. Alright, let's cut through the noise. You've probably heard the same arguments over and over. AI will replace 300 million jobs. AI will create more jobs than it destroys. You just need to upskill. But here's what they don't tell you. AI isn't replacing jobs. It's replacing tasks. And that makes it even more dangerous, because entire roles won't just disappear overnight. Instead, AI will quietly chip away at different tasks until one day, your entire job becomes obsolete. Let's talk about a real example. Take accountants. 10 years ago, an accountant's job was secure. But today, AI tools like ChatGPT, QuickBooks AI, and Xero are automating the work that once required an entire team. And the crazy part? Big companies aren't firing their accountants yet. Instead, they're using AI to make them 5x more efficient, which means instead of hiring 5 accountants, they'll only need 1. So what happens to the other 4? They're out. This is happening everywhere, in customer service, content creation, legal work, finance, and even medicine. AI is not taking your job overnight, but it's slowly, silently phasing you out. The CEOs of trillion-dollar corporations, the heads of government, and the most powerful investors on the planet, they already know who wins and who loses. And let me tell you, they are not preparing for AI to help workers. They're preparing for a world where workers aren't needed at all. Let's break it down. The world's largest companies are quietly eliminating jobs behind closed doors, but they're not making headlines. AI is already making decisions that affect millions, without you even realizing it. And the people at the top, they want you to be distracted so that by the time you wake up to what's really happening, it's already too late. We've been told that AI is just a tool, that it's meant to assist humans, not replace them. But what if that's just a comforting lie? Let's talk about something they don't teach you in school, the real way powerful industries collapse. They don't fall apart overnight. They fade out piece by piece until one day you wake up and they're just gone. Remember Blockbuster? They didn't vanish instantly. First, people rented fewer DVDs. Then Netflix showed up. Then one by one, Blockbuster locations quietly shut down. Until one day, the entire industry was dead. The exact same thing is happening with jobs right now. Not just any jobs, high-paying, white-collar jobs. AI isn't just replacing factory workers. It's coming for lawyers, doctors, analysts, finance professionals, even software engineers. Goldman Sachs has already predicted that AI could replace 300 million jobs worldwide. IBM quietly froze hiring for 7,800 jobs because AI could do the work instead. And yet, nobody is talking about this. Because the people who control the narrative, they want you to believe that AI will create more jobs than it destroys. Sounds nice, right? But let's ask the real question. For who? Every major industry is undergoing a quiet transformation. And here's what they're not telling you. By the time AI can replace 50% of your job, your company doesn't need you at all. Think about it. They're not waiting for AI to be perfect. They just need it to be good enough. And for a shocking number of jobs, it already is. Amazon's AI-powered stores don't need cashiers. Banks are replacing tellers and analysts with machine learning models. Law firms are cutting entry-level positions because AI can now draft legal documents. Even Hollywood is panicking because AI can now write scripts, create music, and even generate realistic video actors. The real warning sign? The people who built AI are scared of it. In 2024, AI pioneers like Elon Musk and Geoffrey Hinton, the so-called godfather of AI, warned that AI could destroy jobs, manipulate information, and even surpass human intelligence. And yet, there are the same people investing billions into AI. Why? Because they know what's coming. Could it be because they know something we don't? Because here's a fact. The companies that tell us AI is here to help are the same ones laying off thousands of workers. And the AI experts warning us about the dangers of AI. They're the ones building it behind the scenes. So, what's really going on? Because right now, AI isn't just about jobs. It's about control. And if you don't learn how to use AI to your advantage, you're not just losing a job, you're losing your future. Throughout history, every major revolution in technology has created two groups of people. Those who saw it coming and those who didn't. Right now, billionaires and global elites are positioning themselves at the top of the AI food chain. And while they're telling you to be cautious about AI, they're racing to build the most powerful AI systems the world has ever seen. They know that whoever controls AI controls the future. So the question is, will you control AI? Or will it control you? Because the future of work is already changing, and you're running out of time. Throughout history, every major technological shift has done one thing. It has made the rich even richer, while wiping out millions of jobs. During the Industrial Revolution, factory owners got richer while millions of workers lost their livelihoods. During the internet boom, tech entrepreneurs became billionaires while newspapers, print media, and old industries collapsed overnight. And right now, the biggest wealth transfer in history is happening. And most people don't even realize it. Why do you think Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Mark Zuckerberg are all pouring billions into AI? Because they know that whoever controls AI controls the future. The world is changing. AI isn't just some futuristic sci-fi fantasy. It's already here, reshaping industries, economies, and entire careers. But here's what most people don't realize. This is your chance. Right now, we are in the Wild West of AI. Those who adapt early will dominate. Those who don't will disappear. So ask yourself, are you going to be replaced? Or are you going to be the one using AI to get ahead? The choice is yours. If you work in any of these industries, you need to start making moves right now. Data entry and administrative jobs, customer support and call centers, retail and cashier jobs, legal assistants and paralegals. Now, you might be thinking, well, my job is safe, right? Not necessarily, because AI isn't just replacing tasks. It's replacing decision-making, which means entire careers could vanish overnight. So what do you do?
Here's the good news. For every job AI replaces, it creates new opportunities for those who know where to look. If you want to stay ahead, you need to shift from being replaceable to being indispensable. And that means understanding where the money is flowing. AI-powered consulting, AI cybersecurity and ethics, prompt engineering, AI-enhanced creativity. Instead of fighting AI, use it to multiply your productivity. AI-assisted content creation, advertising, and design are exploding. The difference between people who get left behind and those who become millionaires? One thing, they see the shift coming and adapt before everyone else. So here we are, at the edge of the biggest shift in human history. AI isn't just coming for jobs, it's coming for power. The billionaires already know this. The governments? They're scrambling to keep up. And the media? They're lying straight to your face. Because here's what they don't want you to realize. You were never meant to win in this system. From the moment you were born, you were placed into a pre-designed structure, one that keeps you working, keeps you distracted, and most importantly, keeps you from asking the right questions. Who really benefits from AI? Not the everyday workers. Not you. It's the same people who always win. The ones who control technology, data, capital. Think about it. How did billionaires like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Sam Altman all know years before anyone else that AI would be the most valuable technology in history? Because they were never playing the same game as the rest of us. They weren't waiting for AI to take jobs. They were funding the AI that would replace you while positioning themselves as the ones who own it. And the real kicker? They don't need everyone to lose their jobs. They just need enough people to become dependent on them. The moment AI runs everything from finance to healthcare to government systems, the people who control AI will control society itself. It won't be about money anymore. It'll be about access. Who gets to have an education? Who gets to have financial freedom? Who gets to own anything? And who just gets to use things inside a corporate-controlled AI system? Because make no mistake, that's the real endgame. A world where everything is automated, everything is controlled, and you're not part of the decision-making process. A world where AI isn't just a tool. It's the new ruling class. If you've made it this far, you already have an advantage. Most people will ignore this warning. They'll keep doing the same thing, hoping that AI won't affect them. But you know better. And if you want to stay ahead of the AI revolution, subscribe to ByteShift. Because the future belongs to those who see what's coming before everyone else does.